Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I have bring a new style of painting, that is palette knife painting. So it's different to the other videos, other art forms that I have done with you in my previous videos. But this time it's completely a different one. It's a new one. It's a palette knife painting. So here I am using the paintbrush. I have used the handmade paper, and then I have used the palette knife. Alright. So first I have given the spaces with the brushes where I have to use my knife. So initially for the beginners it is better to put some marks with the brush. Okay. Then you can start with the palette knife. So you can see in my video that I have used the paintbrush first to give the markings, and then I have used the palette knife. So this way you can mix the color with your palette knife. Alright, it's not so difficult that you need to use the brush only. So you can mix it with the palette knife as well. So it's very simple. Here are some basic techniques to use the palette knife. So first is mixing the colors. We can use the palette knife to mix the colors on the palette. You can see in the video also. The flat edge of the knife can blend colors very smoothly. Next is applying the paint. How you can apply the paint. Scoop up a small amount of paint with the knife and apply it to the canvas using variety of strokes. So you can use multiple strokes in different manner in different directions. So there are three types how to apply the paint. These three are the flat side, edge and the tip. These sides are of the knife. Okay, so in flat side, how we can use it, we can use the broad and the flat strokes, and with the edge of the knife we can use it for thin lines and the fine details, and with the tip of the knife we can use the small dots and touches. One more thing, for creating the texture, we can change the pressure and the angle of the knife to create different textures. To give the bold and impasto effect, we can use the thick layers with our knife, and for underlying the layers, or if we want to add some fine details, we can scrap it with our knife. All right. So here I have used the round brush also around the basic features of the face, so that I can give the 3D effect to the face, and I can decorate, I can enhance the beauty of the face painting. I have used here the brush. So you can, it's your choice, you want to use, that is also fine. If you don't want to use, that is also with your choice only. So for the outlining, for the 3D effect, I have used the round brush and the flat brush for filling the color. You can see that I am using the orange color here for filling in the eye. So in this video, basically I just wanted to share how to use the knife in our painting. Though I have used the brush in my painting so much, but yes, I have given the flavor of knife just to share the knowledge with you. Okay, so you can also initially you can use the brush and the spatula both. Gradually you can switch to uh, the knife, so that you could have a good grip with the knife also. Before that you have to practice on your scrap paper or some sheet or some canvas. You can use the knife and practice it properly. Okay, so here I have made the face using more the brush strokes, less with the spatula. Okay, now let's have some song as we usually have in my videos, so that there should be different flavors in my video. Alright, so you must watch the whole video. I have shared some of the important tips for the knife painting. You must listen it.
ओ सजनी रे कैसे कटे दिन रात, कैसे हो तुझसे बात, तेरी याद सतावे रे। ओ सजनी रे कैसे कटे दिन रात, कैसे मिले तेरा साथ, तेरी याद सतावे रे। कैसे घने रे बदरा घिरे, तेरी कमी की बारिश लिए, सैलाब जो मेरे सीने में है, कोई बताए ये कैसे थमे, तेरे बिना अब कैसे जिए। ओ सजनी रे कैसे कटे दिन रात, कैसे हो तुझसे बात, तेरी याद सतावे रे। ओ सजनी रे कैसे कटे दिन रात, कैसे हो तुझसे बात, तेरी याद सतावे रे। ओ सजनी रे ओ सजनी रे कैसे कटे दिन रात, कैसे हो तुझसे बात, तेरी याद सतावे रे। ओ सजनी रे कैसे कटे दिन रात, कैसे मिले तेरा साथ, तेरी याद सतावे रे। कैसे घने रे बदरा घिरे, तेरी कमी की बारिश लिए, सैलाब जो मेरे सीने में है, कोई बताए ये कैसे थमे, तेरे बिना अब कैसे जिए। ओ सजनी रे कैसे कटे दिन रात, कैसे हो तुझसे बात, तेरी याद सतावे रे।
You have to put the one side, sharp side of the palette knife, and you have to just shoot the color on the other side. All right, so in this way you will learn you will learn how to use it, and you can practice it, not just making some form, but yes, in your rough sheet you can just give the strokes with the this palette knife. All right. Now with this vibrant and beautiful face, I chose red color for the background. You can use multiple tools to decorate your painting. It's not just about a particular thing, that is a spatula or brush. You can use the your black pen, you can use oil pastels, you can use different mediums to make your painting beautiful. The painting should look very beautiful, that is more important, and the basics should be strong. As usual, you can outline it properly. Here I have used the round brush 4 number to outline my painting, and I have just left some of the margin lines also to make it perfect. So always in the end of the painting you must give the finishing touches to your painting, so that nothing should be left imperfect. It should be perfectly uh, outlined, it should be perfectly colored, there should not be any gap. So now I would like to share some tips with you regarding the knife painting. So you must experiment with the different knife, because each knife shape creates a unique effect. You can use bold colors. Why? Because the knife painting often features vibrant and bold colors due to the thick application. You can practice the different strokes, spend time in practicing on as I've told, in on scrap paper or canvas to get the comfortable with the knife. All right, thank you everyone. Now don't forget to subscribe my channel and watch my videos. Any comments you want to share, anything you want to know more, just put in the chat box and let me know. I'll definitely answer to your questions. Thank you so much.